How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home or wherever you're at. In this video, like I said in the intro, we're at the ISS, well, formerly the ISS. We're actually at the Impressions Expo. We're about to show you the floor, so let's get to it. All right, guys, so right now we're in front of the Omni booth. You guys seen the Omni Print FreeJet 330TX Plus all over the YouTube channel. One of the best starter machines when it comes to DTG printing. It prints fast. It's the only machine that actually has the plattens that are removable, so that allows you to speed up production with multiple plattens. Definitely one of the best on the market. Company. The thing that really impressed me about them is they have a complete line of women's fleece. One thing in particular is the fleece that actually is a hoodie, but it's kind of like a crop top as well. So something if you guys are looking for ladies fleece, ladies t-shirts, they have a lot of things that they can offer you guys. Alright guys, so right now I'm in front of EcoTank, one of my favorite vinyl companies, the best weeding vinyl on the market. I don't care what anybody else says. They have a ton of things. If you guys see me talk about Puff, started the Puff craze, sold them out. They have it. This is the best place to go. Best pricing, better quality, everything you need. EcoTank. Definitely one of my hometown heroes right here. So this company is near and dear to my heart because they're a Delaware company as well. Hats right now, my personal favorite new era. I can't get them anymore, so a lot of you guys ask me what hat brands I prefer. One of the two that is out right now that has some of the trendy styles that we're looking for is Otto. So a lot of these are snapbacks, different styles, truckers. They have a huge catalog, as you guys can see from this booth here. A lot of hats that you guys can use, you can print on, and you can use to make some money. All right, guys, so right now I'm in front of McLaug Technologies, the DTF. You guys are super excited about DTF. You guys know my opinions on it, but that does not mean that it can't be for you. They have a machine here that prints, it powders, it comes out cured, ready to go. And then on the other side here, we have a starter machine that costs about $7 grand. It allows you to be consistent when printing DTF, which is one of the hugest problems when it comes to printing at home. But you got to invest a little bit more than what you convert with. So we got some B-roll for you guys to check out. Hope you enjoy. Guys, right now I'm here with one of my former football teammates, taught him the game. I just wanted to get him on camera. Look at him laughing, so it's the truth. So I want to get him on camera to talk about how much he's, not really how much he's made, but how his journey has been in the t-shirt industry. I made this guy beat me at Totaling Solutions at a Caesar course where pretty much he walked out of there and didn't learn a thing, just to keep it 100% real. But we got him on the right track. Now he got more equipment than me. So how's your journey been in the t-shirt industry?
I've been in the journey for, by the way, Javier Garcia. I've been in the business about 3 years now. Stan helped me out starting out with heat pressing. I remember I called him up like 6 in the morning, told him I got a heat presser. That's all I bought. And he basically told me like that's not enough. I ended up buying more equipment for it. 3 years down, I got an embroidery machine, a sublimation machine, screen printing machine now. So I mean, it's going bananas now at this point. I mean, I appreciate everything this man does. When he said started from the ground, this is the man that's going to help you start it from the ground.
Alright, so I got a real live question. How is my coaching style? So people think like, you know, I'm a little, sometimes I come out real and cut on live. But I tell people I'm way worse than people I know. So what do you think about my style of helping you get where you are?
I think that because me and him has a personal relationship as far as being my teammate, then he's my coach in college, in football, and then now like a mentor with my business. I mean, it's just to the point where I'm looking for him to give me the blueprint and this is the man that's going to tell me I'm not giving you the blueprint. I'm going to send you where to get it, and then you're going to come back to me and tell me you got it. And if you don't like it, then you're going to have to pay the fees like everybody else.
Right, right. So I definitely like to ask questions. When they ask me questions, he asks me questions. I definitely try to ask him questions and make him answer his own questions, because that's just my style, but it allows him to make the right decision. So just want to bring him on real quick so you guys can hear from one of my former teammates of how I am. All right, peace. All right, guys, so the show's over. It's COVID. It's not as big as it usually is, but if it's the first show, you've never been to a show, I hope you guys enjoy this. It's definitely something that you'll want to experience. So hopefully throughout this year, heading into Long Beach next year, they just get better and better and better, and we get back to where we were, because these things are usually packed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.